So, full disclosure, Moment did send this to me. And by this, I mean their new telephoto V2 lens that they just dropped online. And I've been spending a couple days with it, and I think it's really cool. But point is, it sort of got me thinking about other gear that I use and love that would definitely help improve anyone's photo and video game. Let's talk about it. So first thing at bat, let's talk about that telephoto lens. It is 58 millimeters, so essentially you're getting about the same focal length if you press that 2x zoom button on iPhone. Now the thing that I don't like about that 2x zoom button is the fact that sometimes you're not even using that second telephoto lens. Sometimes you're just simply zooming in on the standard wide camera in certain conditions. And even when you are using that 2x telephoto built-in camera, it doesn't yield the best of results. So that's where a product like this really shines in my opinion, because you can throw this on that higher quality, wider camera, and you get a higher quality telephoto photo. And not to mention that if you are one of the people that use the 2x zoom built-in telephoto camera, you can throw this on and you basically get 4x. So that's a telephoto shot if I've ever seen one. But besides that, Moment lenses are very well built. They also come with a wide range of accessories like a neck strap and different cases for different iPhones and Android phones. So you can't really go wrong with Moment lenses. Now next up, I want to talk about a product that has widely run sort of under the radar. It actually comes from the company called FreeFly that makes products like this. This is the Movi. It's widely used on very professional shoots. It's a very expensive piece of equipment that essentially stabilizes large DSLRs and cine cameras. So essentially, FreeFly thought they'd get into a bigger market and make basically a stabilizer for your smartphone, which works really well. It is technically a smaller market, but phones smaller. But the great thing about this is it offers support for a wide range of products, considering it has this fairly universal mount and grip. But also you have very tactile Joy-Cons to help with different types of complex movement. Now beyond being lightweight, it's also very compact for traveling, so you can easily take this on a quick trip, throw it in your backpack, and you have really stable footage. Or you can throw it in your fanny pack if you are on the the Vindang train of expertise, knowledge, brilliance, designed by Vindang. Aesthetic. But anyways, the full name is the Movi Cinema Robot, and essentially it is a much smaller, much simpler version of this complex monstrosity. And it's a great, simple addition to your camera bag. Now, number 3, finally on the list, is what's called the Aperture M9. And essentially, there is a more expensive, newer version of this. I think it's over $100 on Amazon, whereas this is under $50. I think it's $45 right now on Amazon. And it is a hell of a light. Now you'll definitely see me using this in a lot of my background scenarios or on the go in my camera bag. I usually throw this in like a breather to be my key light. I recently did that with Tyler Stallman when I was in that breather in New York City. It made the whole entire experience just a ton better. But the other great thing about this light is it also comes with a whole bunch of diffusion pieces as well as gels. Now you can make this warmer or cooler, or you can throw in a red gel or a green gel, or really whatever color you're feeling, and you have a blast of light or color in whatever environment you have. We're using these lights, one to basically be like a key for this helmet, and we're also using one inside of it, and all together it looks like that, which is pretty cool. Now on the side, you have a plus and minus button for brightness, as well as a micro USB port for charging, and of course an on and off switch. Now in my experience, I have been able to use this thing for an hour plus at max brightness, which is just incredible considering the size. But it just makes it super compelling to buy a ton of these, throw in your bag, throw in your car, throw it anywhere you want, use it for last minute situations. But also like, that's like super addictive. Anyways, those are my top 3 picks for mobile photography, mobile videography gear. Gear isn't everything, but definitely helps. Anyways, I will leave everything down in the description. I thank you all for watching. Stay tuned and take it easy. Bye.